Today we are going to open a Kawaii food blind bag, and then we are going to make a Kawaii food blind bag. Yay! Okay, so you guys can see this is our Kawaii food blind bag. Kawaii food blind bag. We can get common, rare, epic, or amazing. Cross your fingers, everyone. Okay, let's start snipping. Okay. Got a panda boba. Oh my god, that's so cute. And look guys, this pattern's so cool. Look, there's some bobas, and there's some of these little like heart-shaped bobas. That is so cute. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got this little donut squishy. Why are all these squishies so cute? I guess they're just so cute. Wow, that's so cool. This is a perfect decoration for my desk. Okay. I forgot you didn't see what we got. Let's see what we got. That's pretty good. I would wish amazing. But it's okay. At least we got epic. And we got these super cute squishies. If you want to learn how to make these super cute squishies, then you can watch on and you can learn how to make them and you can tell all your friends. And then you will be the best person at crafts ever. Now we are going to make our Kawaii food blind bag. It's going to be the perfect combination like you guys just watched. And it's going to be super fun. So here are the materials we need. So some paper, a hot glue gun, and some markers, polyfill, some scissors. Okay, now as you know, I'm going to get one piece of paper, and then we're going to fold it in half. Going to press down. Oh. Press. Okay. Now we have it. Now we're going to take our markers. We're going to write the word Kawaii food blind bag. It's going to be food blind bag edition. So we're going to get another color. I'm going to do this darkish reddish pink color. I'm going to write food right here. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. Now we're going to write blind bag down here. We're going to draw our circle, our second circle, our third circle, and our fourth circle. Now I'm going to choose two colors. So now you guys might also think, like, why did I choose colors? Well, because you might have, if you've watched some of my other videos, you probably know why. But if you're new, it's because we might like add different patterns and stuff to make it more detail-y. Like this, I'm going to do a little scribble with a heart inside. Now, Kawaii comes in all different kinds of colors, but today I'm going for a pink athletic. Now, what design do you think I should do? I'm just going to do some curves and swirls like this. Okay, now we're going to write our common, then epic, sorry guys, rare, and then epic. If you guys wanted, you could also put epic first, but I'm just going to put rare then. And then amazing. And since it's a food blind bag, I'm just gonna add What should I add? I'm just gonna add a small donut on the front. Okay, now we're done with our cover of our Kawaii food blind bag. So now we got to first take our hot glue and we're going to get some sides, right, like here. We're gonna glue some sides. I like to make some like small slots. Here and here, and then this part is the big slot where we can put our feel and lucky surprises inside. Okay, so there we go. These parts are good. We have our little slot. Now let's make our first surprise. We have one piece of paper. Now we would need a piece of paper, our scissors, and our markers, and our polyfill. Basically everything, and hot glue. So, first we're going to fold this. We're going to make our first surprise. So now it's going to be a little panda boba tea. Super cute. So first we're going to draw the bottom. And then we're gonna draw like that little lacy thing that they have here. And here. We're gonna draw the panda on the top. So there's gonna be like a little slant here with this straw with stripes on it. And then we're gonna draw the panda ears. I'm gonna draw the eyes. Okay, now we're gonna add pink cheeks. We're gonna add black ears. Okay. Now we're gonna color the stripes any color you want, but today I'm also going for a pink athletic, so you guys know I might be doing pink a lot. Okay, now we're going to we have our small squish. It's kind of ugly right now. It's drawing the best, but I bet yours is so good. Okay, so we're gonna cut it out right now. Okay, now we are going to glue like half of the part right here. I'm going to use a marker because I don't want to burn myself. Maybe the marker is burning, but I don't think the marker has feelings. So we probably need a little bigger part that's glued. Here. Okay, now we have the perfect slot. Now we're gonna get our big polyfill, we're gonna get some Play-Doh out. I got a lot because we might need it for a second squishy. So first we're gonna fill it up kind of. This. Kind of want it to be poofy. Okay, I'm going to use a marker to spread the glue, spread the glue, spread the glue. Okay, this part, I need to get down a little bit. Now here, attach. Now we got our first little squishy. We're gonna plop it in here. Now we're gonna make our second squishy. This is gonna be a donut. And don't you guys think that boba and donut is like the perfect combination? Yeah, I think it's the perfect combination too. Okay, now we're gonna draw our donut. Now we're going to do like the frosting coming down. The middle part, there's gonna be a circle. There's gonna be cute eyes with small highlights inside of them. A little mouth. This eye's gonna be winking. So now we're gonna at the cheeks, we're going to get another little light peachy color for like the crest part. So there is the crest, and I'm gonna do rainbow sprinkles. So I'm gonna do my colors that go well together. So maybe blue too. Don't you guys think that these colors go so well together? Well, I do. So now we're gonna draw the sprinkles. Okay. Now all our markers back, and we're gonna cut. Sorry. Wrong way. Actually, let's just do it the way it is right now. Let's be flexible. Okay. Perfect. We may need to trim off this part because, you know, we got it wrong. But it's okay. Okay, there. Now we're going to get some more Play-Doh. Oof, that's a lot. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. First, we're going to get this part glued a little better because my hot glue's not working today. Oh, that's why, guys. Okay. And now we can put our polyfill in. Off this part, and now we have our little donut squishy too. Okay, we're gonna put it in. Now we're gonna write our you got symbol. So now after you wrote you got, dun dun dun, you're gonna see what you want this person to get. Epic. Okay, so epic is like a circle. This. And then a heart. Epic. Okay, now we're gonna put this one in too. That person gets excited when they see it. And now let's close it up. Another time. I do not want to burn myself, so I'm using a marker again. And ta-da! You have your Kawaii food blind bag. Squish, squish, squish. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please. Donut's asking you. Please subscribe.